PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं, पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
Alright, so here is our beautiful box of the A310 model. As you can see, we have the PIA logo, Airbus A310, the whole PIA aircraft livery, the registration, Alpha Papa Bravo Echo Quebec, Inflight200 model, and as we know, it's a 1:200 scale. So this model was roughly around $150. Quite expensive, especially for an A310 model, but definitely it is worth it. Alright. Sometimes on these 1:200 scale packagings it's very hard to open. Let's try to get inside here. Very beautiful. So obviously in every 1:200 scale kit we have our main landing gears, landing gear down, and then our landing gear up with two sticks for the engine fan blades that move, as well as our stand. Very nice shiny. And then our main model. Here we have it. Very, very beautiful shiny Airbus A310 model. I love the amount of detail on this model. As you can see, all the antennas, beacon light, gem, engine detail and everything. Very beautiful. So we'll put this on the ground, we'll get the landing gears on, and then we'll start with the model review. Alright, so here is our main landing gears. We'll get these out. We'll start with our nose gear. Put on our left landing gear. This is the wrong side. Right, yeah. Left landing gear, and then our right one, and here it is. So all in-flight models have the gears that move. All the tires do move. I don't believe these ones actually rotate up and down. Yeah, they don't. They're fixed. But even that looks very, very beautiful. So the front gear does rotate left and right to an extent, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is a little, actually no, it does rotate all the way. So yeah. Other than that, very beautiful model. Alright, so I put the model on the stand to give you guys a clear picture of how it looks like while displayed. Definitely looks much more beautiful with the stand on. So as you guys can see on the model, we have the main cockpit design, the Pakistan logo and the PIA logo in Urdu, the PIA name in dark green, Pakistan International in a bit of a gold color. We have our main stripe, double stripe of green, dark green and gold. As you guys can tell, it's two different colors here on the main front of the body moving into the back. So a lot of people actually, I remember when the 2005 livery came out, people were confused on the color, if it was actually a full white body with just one green stripe in the middle, but it actually had two different, a bit of a lighter color at the back and then a white body in the front. So when we get into the next A310 model, I'll give you guys a clear picture on what I mean about that. But either way, beautiful livery. So we do have the PIA logo on the engine, details on our windows as well, the Pakistan logo, name in Urdu, registration AP-BEQ with the Pakistan flag on the tail. Very beautiful model. So as we go into the back as well, we can also see that we have our clear designs on top of the wings, the registration detail on the back of the stabilizer as well, exhaust. And then the same design on the right hand side as well. And then I'll show you guys underneath the body as well. Let's go on this side. So as you guys can see, we have our Pakistan name underneath the body with the double stripe. Very much perfect detail. Also, one thing I didn't know is that the beacon light underneath the body is behind in the aft section, and it's not underneath in the middle as it is over here. So that's one thing I just noticed as well. But as you can see, we have our cargo doors. And yeah. Definitely no doubt a beautiful, beautiful livery. So you can also try out the engines. I know the engines get stuck a bit. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Same with the other one. Yeah, so both engines move as well. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you an up-close view of the aircraft. The detail on the aircraft is amazing. Inflight always does a good job on their models. If I'm not wrong, this model was released about 4 years ago. Could be wrong, but from the best of my knowledge, I think it was about 4 or 5 years ago. Alright everyone, I hope you guys enjoy this quick review of this Inflight200 PIA A310 model. I definitely will be getting more into detail about the next 3 models that I have in line, all in the 2005 liveries with the special destination schemes with the Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad main themed liveries. Alright everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review of this Inflight200 PIA A310 model. Definitely I'll be going more in depth in the other 3 models that I have in line that are made by JC Wings. So we'll go into more detail in the next one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care and we'll see you soon.